Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. On this channel, we'll share detailed step-by-step recipes for some of the most loved and popular dishes from India and around the world, all made with simple ingredients and clear instructions so you can recreate them perfectly at your home. Through our YouTube channel, Get Cooking Now, which we established in 2021, we've already helped thousands of viewers to prepare and enjoy traditional Goan recipes at home. Now we're taking that same simplified step-by-step method and a whole lot of passion to bring Indian and global flavors straight to your kitchen. We will introduce a new recipe every Thursday and Saturday morning.
Please subscribe to Get Cooking Global and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any recipe.
Get Cooking Global, popular recipes from India and around the world.